Lesson number 12, Advanced English Conversation Course. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. Subscribe and share this video. Answer these questions. What are some signs of being healthy? What do your friends or relatives do to stay healthy? What do you do to stay healthy? Have your health habits changed in the last few years? How? What is something that many people should do, but don't do to stay healthy? Do you know any home remedies for common ailments? How do you treat a sore throat? Minor cut? Headaches? What are some causes of back pain? What are some possible remedies? Do you take daily vitamins? Which ones? Why? Do you regularly take over-the-counter drugs or prescription drugs? Why? Is there a disease or condition which is common in your family? What steps have you taken to forestall or prevent this illness? How often do you wash your hands? What other precautions do you take to prevent the spread of germs? Do you eat healthy food? Do you have any unhealthy eating habits? Do you enjoy smoking? What are some of the dangers of smoking? How much sleep do you usually get? Is your sleep restful, or do you toss and turn? How often do you feel tired or exhausted? What can you do to feel more energetic? Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.